Listen, Jersey in the house. Manhattan in the house. Queens in the house. Brooklyn in the house. Staten Island in the house. Long Island in the house. Boogie Out Boys in the house.
Rising high in the morning and the night, feeling low, never knowing where you'll fall, hypnotized. Nothing can make you feel this way, no way out. Now you're trapped and can't go back. Why couldn't you come to me, knowing I'll be there for you? Is love so strong? Why can't you turn around and look for me, my baby? I love you.
Make some noise!
Hey, yo, check this out. We're here for the Cristian Rivera Foundation.
Yes, sir.
Let's not forget that. Shots going out to John Googie. First of all, come here, brother. Come here. Please.
No,
please,
come
please,
here, come here,
please,
come here.
please. Hold this for a second, bro. So listen, this man right here has paved a lot of people's careers up in here tonight. Me, most definitely. Test Move, that's in the back. DJ Big Paul right here. Listen, he is the #1 promoter in New York City. Make some noise for John Googie Rivera.
Put your drinks up. We are drinking to the Cristian Rivera Foundation. This is so special.
Especially going out to the Cristian Rivera Foundation, just remember to donate. It helps and it goes a long way. Y'all stay blessed. Peace and good night.
Thank you, Cristian Rivera Foundation.